Hey guys, welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian and this is season 2 of the Garage Boss, where we educate you how to use Dupli-Color and VHT products and be the boss of your own projects in your garage. Now in the shop today, I have a 2020 Acura RDX. Has some miles on it. It's in here for some paint correction, so we know there's going to be a little bit of debris up front as far as nicks, chips, and we're going to take care of it using Dupli-Color's line of touch-up products. Now, being only 5 years old, of course, there's going to be some scratches and chips on it, but chips and scratches can happen at any point in time, whether you drive the car right off the car lot when it's brand new, or 5 years down the road, 10 or 15 years, we got you covered. So I'm going to take a look at the front of this car, find out where those chips are, and go from there. All right, I took a look at the front of this Acura here, and we do have some scratches both on the front bumper cover and the hood. So the next step here is to find out what color this is. Now each color is tied to a unique color code. Those color codes are found on the vehicle identification sticker, typically found in the driver's side door jamb. Once you have that color code, you can look it up at Dupli-Color.com using the year, make, and model, or the color code, or if you're at your local auto parts store and you're at the shelf, you look it up using our color selector guide. If you don't find what you're looking for at shelf, head to the counter, give them the color code or your year, make, and model. They can look it up there. It could be part of our special order program where you now have access to a much larger color selection of exact match colors. So they can order the color for you at the counter, and in just a couple of days, you go back, pick it up, then you're ready to touch up your vehicle. So after looking up the color code on this Acura, we found out that it's Performance Red Pearl and part of our special order program. So I went to my local retailer, ordered the product, went back in a couple days, picked it up, and now I'm ready to start touching up because we have the exact match color that we need. Now regarding touching up the vehicle, it's extremely important because if you don't do so, it can lead to larger issues down the road. We have plastic and we have metal or aluminum in some cases. Both aluminum and metal can rust or corrode. If that chip is down to that bare surface, then you start getting a large rust bubble or corrosion bubble. So you want to make sure that you get that chip taken care of right away. Even on plastic, it doesn't rust or corrode, but it could start to flake out and get larger. So always make sure if you have those chips, take care of them as soon as you can. Before applying color match paint, clean the surface with alcohol or our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to remove any contaminants. Shake the tube for a few minutes because unmixed paint can cause a difference in color. There are two ways to touch up chips and scratches: the pen tip for fine, thin scratches and the brush for larger chips. Apply 1 to 2 coats of color or the necessary amount needed based on the chip you are fixing, and allow about 5 minutes between coats. Allow 30 minutes for the color coat to dry before applying the clear coat found on the bottom of the touch-up tube. The clear coat is essential as it aids in overall color match and seals the paint for added protection from the elements. All right, I'm all finished touching up this Acura and things look amazing. The color match is perfect and I can't even tell where those scratches and chips were. Now, Dupli-Color is the only brand that has the manufacturer's approval for that exact color match to ensure that when you grab our product to touch up your vehicle, it's going to match it perfectly. So when you're ready to touch up those nicks, chips, and scratches on your vehicle, because I know you got them just like I do, grab your color code, look it up on Dupli-Color.com, or head to your local auto parts retailers. Check out our Scratch Fix all-in-one pens or our special order program. And remember, you can be the boss of your own paint project in your garage. And if you want to find out more information about the products we use in this video and other great products from Dupli-Color, visit Dupli-Color.com.